Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Monday Morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com. In the pre-market this morning, stock index futures, commodities, and Bitcoin are all trading higher. Gold is reaching out, making new all-time highs this morning, while crude oil is just up 25 cents. There is gold trading up to our next price target last week. It's now breaking through it in the pre-market. Our next price target, of course, is $4,062.50. $4,000, of course, is just above where we are right now, and that could act as a potential area of resistance for the price of gold. It is a big round number. Looking at the fear index or the VIX, no change there. We're still on a sell signal. We're still trading in the flypaper channel. That has not changed. And the pros have not taken control of the major VIX ETFs. Looking at Bitcoin, it moved up over the past few trading days, ran up to our next price target and stopped. But both back in July and August, we were able to trade slightly above this level, but quickly reversed. And so this is a significant area of resistance for Bitcoin. If we can break out, then 131,250 is our next price target, and then 137,500 above that. But we need to break out above those July, August highs before those targets come into play. Now, of course, all the VIX bull ETFs are moving up right now and all trying to make new highs. We've got all the Bitcoin-related stocks moving up, and there's Bitfarms, there's Bit Digital, there's Bitfarms on both sides of the border, there's Bit Digital, then we've got Coinbase moving up. Hitting our next price target of 375 if we can continue to move higher. And we did have a gap over here, which, you would have called it an open gap. Well, now it's closed. And so if we can continue to move higher from here, $437.50 is our next price target. And of course, we were there back in July. Looking at Galaxy, new high for Galaxy on Friday before pulling back slightly on the day. There's a new high for Hive Digital on both sides of the border. Hut 8 made a new high on Friday on both sides of the border. Then Mara is struggling at the moment. And then there's MicroStrategy trying to break out above the September highs. And this stock has been in the doghouse for a while. If we look at Bitcoin, when Bitcoin pulled back, it still held the flypaper channel, so it was still bullish, even though we had short-term sell signals on it. It has turned around, has broken out of the flypaper channel, and now back at the previous highs. MicroStrategy, on the other hand, broke through the flypaper channel, and as you can see, it has acted as resistance. Compare that to some of the other stocks that found support in the flypaper channel. They, of course, had a much more bullish outlook since they never broke down. And I'm just talking about three examples here. We've got Galaxy, we've got Hive, and we've got Hut 8, all using the flypaper channel as support and as a springboard to making higher highs at this time. Looking at the energy sector, crude oil, seasonally speaking, from October into December, crude oil usually has a weak period. And right now we've got crude oil on a sell signal. It was an inside day on Friday, trying to break down below the flypaper channel right now, trying to break away from 71.88. If we can do that, and we're not going to do that on Monday morning as crude oil is slightly higher, 68.75 would be our next target to the downside for the USO ETF. We've got gasoline on a sell signal right now, and natural gas ran up, hit our next price target on Thursday into the flypaper channel, hit 1406, got as high as 1407 before pulling back. So we're still on a buy signal here coming into Monday's trading action, but we did hit our first price target. So I hope you locked in some profits there. Looking at energy stocks, fairly quiet trading on Friday. On the TSX, they were up a little over 1%. In New York, they were up a little over 0.5%, but certainly no change in trend for the energy sector from Friday's trading action. Okay, folks, that is all for this morning's presentation. So far, it looks like the market wants to do a little buying at the open on Monday morning. Have a great day. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Tuesday morning.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theyuptrend.com.